as one, the Lord will fully attain perfect enlightenment. สวากขาโตเยนะภะคะวะตาธัมโม The teaching which he expounded so well, so ปฏิปันโนยาสัพพะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ and the blessed one disciples who have practiced well. ธัมมายังภะคะวันตังสัทธัมมังสัสสังฆา Through this the Buddha, the Dhamma and the Sangha, Ime Sakkare Yatharaka Aropite Apipuchayama. We render rich offerings of a rightful homage. Sadhudo Pante Bhagava Suchira Pariniputapi. Is it well for us that the present world having a generation Prachima Chanata Nukam Pamanasa still have compassion for later generations. Ime Sakkare Tukkata Pandakara Ute Patikanthatu. May this simple offerings be accepted. Kammakanti Karatang Hitaya Sukhaya. For our long-lasting benefit and for the happiness it gives us. Arahang Samma Sambuddho Bhagava. The Lord, the perfectly enlightened and blessed one. Buddhang Bhagavantang Abhivademi. I render homage to the Buddha, the blessed one. สวากขาโตภะคะวะตาธัมโม The teachings so completely explained by him. Dhammang Namasami. I bow to the Dhamma. สุปฏิปันโนภะคะวะโตสาวกสังโฆ The blessed one's disciples who have practiced well. Sanghang Namami. I bow to the Sangha. การธรรมยังบุตตสัพพะคะวะโตผู้ว่ากลายเป็นนามการะกโรมาเส Now let us preliminary homage to the Buddha. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. Homage to the blessed, noble and perfectly enlightened one. ขันธมะยังพุทธาภิทุติงกะโรมะเส Now let us chant in praise of the Buddha. Yo so Tathagato Arahang Samma Sambuddho. The Tathagata is the pure one, the perfectly enlightened one. Vichācarana Sampanno. He is impeccable in conduct and understanding. monks and five spirits. Sasamana Brahmalim Prachang Sadewa Manusang Sayang Apinya Sachikatawa Pavete Physical and celestial and human beings. He has guided inside the truth. Yakamang te se sihati kalayanang makche kalayanang pariyosana kalayanang. He has fighted out the Dhamma, beautiful in the beginning, beautiful in the middle, beautiful in the end. Satang sapayan chadang kevala paripunang parisutang brahmachariyang kakasesi. He has explained the spiritual life of complete purity in its essence and conventions. Tamahang bhagavantang adipujayami tamahang bhagavantang sirasa namami. I shall my praise to the Blessed One. I bow my head to the Blessed One.
อันธรรมยังธรรมาภิทุติกโรมาเส
Now let us chant in praise of the Dhamma.
โยโสส
Savakato Bhagavata Dhammo. The Dhamma is where is established by the Blessed One, Scientific, apparent here and now, Akariko, timeless, impossible, encouraging investigation, Opanayiko, blending inwards, Pachatang Veditapo Vinyuri, till we experience individually by the wise. Tamahang Dhammang Abhipujayami Tamahang Dhammang Sirasa Namami. I chant my praise to this teaching. I bow my head to this truth.
อันธรรมยังสังฆาภิทุติกโรมาเส
Now let us chant in praise of the Sangha.
โยโสสุ
Supatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. They are the precious ones disciples who have practiced well. O Supatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. Who have practiced directly. Yayapatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. Who have practiced insightfully. Samitipatipanno Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. Those who practice with integrity. Yatitham Cattari Purisa Yuktani Anta Purisa Bukkala. That's in the focus, signifies of noble beings. In Bhagavato Sāvaka Sangho. These are the blessed ones disciples. Ahudayo. Just was worthy of gifts. Ahudayo. Worthy of hospitality. Kakidayo. Worthy of offerings. Anjali Karaniyo. Worthy of respect. Anuttarang Gunyaketang Lokasa. Make evocation for incomparable goodness to arise in the world. the teaching of the Lord like a lamp. Illuminating the path and its fruit the endless. Lokutaro Yojatatati Pano, that which is beyond the conditioned world. Vantami Dhammanga Amatharenatam, devotedly indeed that Dhamma I revere. Sangho Suketa Payati Kita Sanyitud, the Sangha the most paragraph of cultivation. Yodita Sangho Sukata Nuko Thako, those who have realized his awakened after the accomplished one. Lora Pahino Ariyo Sumeta Soho, normal and wise are longing abundant. Vantami Samgama Kamaharinatam, devotedly indeed that Sangha I revere. Itiwa Mekanta Vipushanayakam, this salutation should be made. Vatutayam Vantayata Visamkhatam, so that this is worthy. Unyamaya Manasapupatawa, through the power of just good action. Mahundo Vedasa Bhava Siddhiya, may our obstacles disappear. Itatatakato loke upanno araham samma sambuddho. One who knows things as they are has come into this world, and he is an arahant, a perfectly awakened being. Tamodate Niko Pasamiko Parinippaniko Sambodhakamito Katapavetito, purifying the way leading out of illusion, calming and directing to perfect peace, and leading to enlightenment. This way he has made known. Mayantam Dhammam Suttawa Evam Shanama. Having heard the teaching we know this. Saripi Dukkha, Bhasi Dukkha, Sharapi Dukkha, Aging is Dukkha, Maranam Dukkha, and death is Dukkha. Soka Paritewa Dukkha Tomana Supaya Sabi Dukkha. Sorrow, lamentation, pain, grief, and despair are Dukkha. Apiye Sampayoko Dukkha. Association with the Isla is Dukkha. Vayehi Vipayoko Dukkha. Separation from the light is Dukkha. Yang Vichangala Patitam Dukkha. Not attending one visits is Dukkha. Sankitena Panchupadhana Khandha Dukkha. In break the fivefold gases of grasping mind are Dukkha. Sayatitham, these are as follows. Rupupadhana Khandha, identification with the body. Vedanopadhana Khandha, identification with feeling. Sanyupadhana Khandha, identification with perception. Sankarupadhana Khandha, identification with mental formations. Vinyanopadhana Khandha, identification with consciousness. Ye Samvavinyaya, for the complete understanding of this. Taramano Sopakawa, the verses one in his lifetime. Evam Pavuram Savake Vineti, faithfully instructed his disciples just this way. Evam in static. Rupang anicca. The body is impermanent. Vedana anicca. Feeling is impermanent. Sanya anicca. Perception is impermanent. Sankhara anicca. Mental formations are impermanent. Vijnanam anicca. Consciousness is impermanent. Rupang anatta. The body is not self. Vedana anatta. Feeling is not self. Sanya anatta. Perception is not self. Sankhara anatta. Mental formations are not self. Vijnana anatta. Consciousness is not self. Sabbe sankhara anicca. All conditions are impermanent. Sabbe dhamma anattade. There is no self in the created or the uncreated. Emayam. All of us. Odinna Mahacharya Chara Maranena. Abhava catching and hate. Soke parite vehi tukhe manase upayase. By sorrow, lamentation, pain, grief and despair. Ukudinna dukkha parita. By dukkha and obstructed by dukkha. Apevana nimasa kevarasa dukkha kandasa antakiriya panyaditati. Less as long as part to complete freedom from suffering. Chira pariniputtam pitam bhagavantam utissa arahantam sama sambuddham. Remembering the precious one, the noble Lord, and perfectly enlightened one, who long ago attained parinibbana. Sattha akara samahana pariyam papachita. We have gone forbidden from home to homelessness. Tatsaming bhagavati brahmachariyam charama. And like the precious one, we practice the holy life. Bhikkhu sikkhasa jiva samappanna. Being fully equipped with the bhikkhu system of training. Tanno brahmachariyam imasa kevarasa dukkha khandasa antakiriya samvatatu. May this holy life lead us to the end of this whole mass of suffering.
Annamayam davatimsa karapatang vanamase.
Oyang pu vikayu uttam padhatava athoke samattaka tachapariyanto purona naklakaya sasuchido. This is my body from the
เวกนาภาคังปนามัสสี
ติตังกายโยนิโสจิวรังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะสิตัสสะปฏิฆาตายะอุณหัสสะปฏิฆาตายะกังสมะกัสสะวะตาตาปัสสิวิงสัพพะสัมภัสสะนังปฏิฆาตายะยาวะเทวะหิริโกวินาปฏิชาทนาทัง wisely reflecting, I use the rope only to work of cold, to work of heat, to work of the touch of flies, mosquitoes, wind, burning and creeping things, only for the sake of modesty. ปฏิสังขารโยนิโสวินนาปาตังปฏิเสวามิเนวัฏวายานัมมตายานัมมันดนายานาวิปุสนายายาวะเทวะหิมัสสกายสัตติติยายาปนายาวิหิงสุปารติยาพระมัจจริยานุขาวายาอิติปุรานันจเวทนังปฏิอัมภามินาวันจเวทนังนาอุปาทิสามิยาตาราจเนภวิสติอนวัชตาจะภาสุวิหารุจาติ wisely reflecting I use not food not for fun not for pleasure not for fattening not for beautification only for the maintenance and nourishment of this body for keeping it healthy, for helping with the holy life, thinking thus, I will only hunger without overeating, so that I may continue to live blamelessly and at peace. ปฏิสังขารโยนิโสสินาสนังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะสิตัสสะปฏิฆาตายะอุณหัสสะปฏิฆาตายะดังสมะกัสสะวะตาตาปัสสิวิงสัพพะสัมภัสสะนังปฏิฆาตายะยาวะเทวะอุตุปาริสยวิโนทานังปฏิสังฆานาราวัฏัง wisely reflecting I use the lodging only to work of cold, to work of heat, to work of the touch of flies, mosquitoes, wind, burning and creeping things, only to remove the danger from weather and for living in seclusion. ปฏิสังขารโยนิโสกิลานะปัจจยะเปสัชชะปริการังปฏิเสวามิยาวะเทวะอุปันดานังวยาปาริกานังเวทนานังปฏิฆาตายะอภัยปัจจปรมัตตายติ wisely reflecting I use support for the sick and medicinal purposes only to work out a fulfilling the preparation for the maximum freedom from disease.
อันนามยังสัพพะอริกาเนกาตายโยปนามัสเส
Now let us recite the verses on the sharing of Marys. ปุญญสิทานิกาตัสสะยานัญญานิกตาริเว May whatever living beings without measure, without end, pain, Satta Verido, reading seen by me and those unseen, those neutral and adverse. Satta Dipanti Loka Samite Umma Jatu Yonika, meaning has service in the world from the three planes and from crowds of birds. Panjika Jatu Vokala Sansaranta Bhava Bhave. Wait for a quick grace of one of the wandering on from ram to ram. Yatanyi Patitanam Meyano Mohantu Te Sayang. Those who know my act of dedication, may they all rejoice indeed. Ye Jimana Pachanandi Deva Desang Nivetayun. As for the sick unaware, may the devas let him know. Maya Dinana Punyanam Anumodhana Etuna. By rejoicing in my sharing, Sape Satta Satta Hundu Avera Sukha Chivito. May our beings always live at peace in freedom from hostility. Kema Patancha Pakuntu Te Sasachitchatam Sukha. May their good wishes be fulfilled, and may they all receive thee.
Anamayang Metta Paranam Karomasai.
Now let us chant the reflections on universal well-being.
Ahang Sukhito
Om Be, may us all walk in well-being. May to go away in freedom from affliction. Avero be in freedom from hostility. Apaya Pacho be in freedom from ill will. Adiko be in freedom from anxiety. Sukhiyatanam Pariharami, and may I maintain well-being in myself. Sape Satta Sukhita Huntu, may all beings abide in well-being. Sape Satta Avera Huntu, in freedom from hostility. Sape Satta Apaya Pacha Huntu, in freedom from ill will. Sape Satta Nika Huntu, in freedom from anxiety. Sape Satta Sukhi Atanam Pariharantu, and may they maintain well-being in themselves. Sape Satta Sappa Tukha Pamunjantu, may all beings be released from all suffering. Sape Satta Satta Sampatito Mavikachantu, and may they not be parted from the good fortune they have attained. Sape Satta Karma Saka Karma Thaya Karma Yoni Karma Pantu Karma Vatisarana. All beings are the owners of their actions, and through their actions, born of their actions, related through their actions, and live dependent through their actions. Yang kamanga visanti kalayanang vapapakam vadasapayana pavisanti. All actions with intention, be they skillful or harmful, all such as they will be their heirs. Sape Satta Satta Huntu, may all beings live happily. Avera Sukha Chivito, always free from animosity. Gatam Punya Parang Mayham, may all share in the blessings. Sape Pagi Bhavantu Te, springing from the good I have done. Onto Sapam Sumang Palang, may there be every good blessing Rakhantu Sappa Devata. May all the Devas protect you. Sappa Buddhanupavena. Through the power of all the Buddhas. Suti Hontu Nirantaram. May